Computer, activate emergency medical holographic program.
Please state the nature of the medical emergency.
Why do you always have to say that?
I can only speculate about my programmer's motives. Perhaps he thought I might be summoned for important reasons?
Having just seen Star Trek's holographic AI spring into action, imagine stepping into a future where AI is not just a figment of fiction, but a beacon of hope for Parkinson's disease. Dive into our video as we explore AI's revolutionary impact on Parkinson's research. As healthcare professionals, we're on the forefront of exciting advancements against Parkinson's disease, impacting millions worldwide. We're thrilled to highlight 3 research articles today, revealing how AI is changing the game in diagnosing this condition early and accurately. Such innovation is sparking hope, promising to make a real difference in people's lives. Do you enjoy our content? Support our channel with a like, follow, comment, or subscribe. Your engagement helps us bring the latest advancements directly to you, blending professional expertise with groundbreaking research. The first article talks about a fascinating study where scientists used something called a 1D convolutional transformer. Imagine teaching a computer to recognize how someone walks, or their gait, and using that to spot Parkinson's disease. This AI was so smart it could tell if someone had Parkinson's just by the way they walked, with an accuracy of 88%. It's like having a superhero power that can spot hidden clues in our movements. Next up, we dive into a world where AI becomes our eyes, analyzing images from brain scans to find signs of Parkinson's disease. This isn't any ordinary scan. We're talking about a fully automatic system that examines MRI and PET scans to find the tiniest hints of Parkinson's way before it's obvious to humans. This research showed how combining different types of brain images gives us a clearer picture, helping diagnose Parkinson's with incredible accuracy. The last article is equally impressive, focusing on the power beneath our feet, the ground reaction forces. This study used AI to study the force we apply to the ground when we walk. It turns out these forces tell a story about Parkinson's disease that we couldn't read before. By understanding this story, AI can help identify Parkinson's and even how severe it is, just from a simple walk. These breakthroughs are more than just scientific achievements. They're beacons of hope for early detection and management of Parkinson's disease. By catching the disease earlier, we open the door to more effective treatments, better quality of life, and ultimately a brighter future for those affected. If you or a loved one are facing Parkinson's, remember, advancements in technology and research offer new hope every day. For detailed insights into the AI research discussed, the links in our video description will guide you to the specific studies and their groundbreaking findings. To learn more and support our channel, visit our website at chatwithapt.com. Your engagement through subscriptions, likes, comments, or shares can help spread awareness and provide support to those in need.